Hi guys, so today is kind of just a look through Dollar Tree with me for some new crafty items. A quick, those Jemmies, they had lots of Project Life stuff. I was looking for the Maggie Holmes stickers, I didn't see any. Not that I needed them, but if they were $1, hey, why not? Here's some pink ones, and then there's like a peachy version in the back. I did not get any because I have a million Project Life cards. Then they have this Heidi Swap, these little note card set right here, and like the floral one. And then they have this right here, and like the black and white with like a lot of the gold type fonts on it. Then they look literally like the Happy Planners with those rings, except for these are empty. I think you have to stick like paper or something in there because they seemed really thin. I don't know. I don't plan, so maybe it's supposed to look like that. Then they had a bunch of these yarns. I'm trying to show you the size hand reference. Lots of colors, blues, neon greens, pinks, oranges. I think they had some mints in the very back. I didn't get any because I didn't really need it, and it's a thick yarn. It was like those soft blankets. These little cups are new, kind of with the little paper clips in it. And they had a pink version, the yellow version, and then that bluish version. These little tins. These pastel colors are new for these little like desk caddies. And then they have more of those little magnetic tins in the very back.